Hi guys, welcome back to Maven second session. In this session, we will see guys. Yes, Maven is a in previous session what we discussed. Yes, Maven is a build tool. It is used for to build, to manage, and simplify the task. We will see guys. Now, what are the of course we are having some more advantages with Maven. Yes, why Maven used? Okay, why we need to use Maven? Okay, guys. Yes, Maven uses for used for yes, like so we are having one. We can integrate the code, integrate the integrate with the control system like that. See guys, already we have discussed. See, if you want to integrate the code from GitHub to Jenkins or with Maven, yes, we can integrate this one. Okay, guys. Next. Okay. Enhance projects performances. Enhance enhance project performance. Next, easy to move easy to move to new attributes of Maven. And is repository to get dependencies. Repository to get the dependencies. Next, having a similar folder structure across the organization. Next, integration with continuous integration tools like Jenkins, Hudson, next Team City, okay, Bamboo, GitLab, okay, like there's so many tools are there. Rundeck, so many tools, but we are using Jenkins. We are using Jenkins. And so plugins for text execution. Plugins for text execution. Next, it provides information. It provides information on how the software or projects is being developed. Okay. Next, it is used for to build the process, build process is made simpler and consistent. We are using simpler and consistent, and we are having, yes, it's provide that guidelines, provides guidelines for the best practices to be followed in the project. Like this we are having, of course it's having some more, but here we can manage with these activities by using Maven, and it will take care of that. Okay, releases. Okay, it takes care on process. Okay, process like release, distribution, reporting. Okay, builds documentation. Like there's so many. Okay, but most cases we are using for build and release, for deployment, testing, integration. We are using that. Okay, yes, so many. Yes, Maven documentations. Okay, buildings, reporting, and the distribution, like that. Maven connects to the Maven control repository. Yes, Maven having three repositories. One is local. One is local. Yes, let me show you that. Yes, Maven structure. Maven structure. So first of all, okay. So in this mission, so let me show you guys. Let me show you practically how it works. Okay. Yes. See guys, this is my Linux server. Yes, Java space hyphen version. Here we don't have that Maven. Okay, guys. One more thing here. It's very important. Without Java, we can't work with Maven. Which means we should have Java. If you want to execute or if you want to work with Maven, we should have Java. See guys. So now mvn space hyphen version. So of course there is no Java. So no more doubts. Okay. We should not get no more doubts. It means that without Java we can't work with Maven. So it's mean if you want to work with this command, we should have Java. We need to get response from this command. So here we are getting what we are getting, Java command not found, which means there is no Java inside this mission. So now what we have to do? We need to install Java. Let me show you that how to install Java and how to set Maven, install and configure Maven paths. Okay guys, yes. Okay guys. Okay guys, first of all, let me show you that how to install Java and how to set that path. Yes. Now, so I'm install. Yes, before that, Git also required. Git space hyphen version. See guys, we don't have that. So now we are going to installing Git, Java, and Maven. Yes, before that, yum install vim wget tar make unzip. So these are the prerequisites. Maybe we are going to extracting, we are going to downloading, we are going to compiling. So that reason we should have these packages. If you want to download, we should have double-git. If you want to open in that editor, VAM editor, yes, we should have that VAM. Of course, with the VA also we can open, and the tar command used for to extract and to create tar packages. If you want to compile, that .c files are and all, yes, we should have that make command. If you want to extract and if you want to create the commands, yes, unzip. If you want to extract the zip files, yes, we should have that unzip. Okay, just wait, guys. We are going to installing this prerequisites. Then we will go for that installing Git and Java and Maven. Sorry. Okay. So we have installed. Now we are going to installing Git. Install Git and font config. Yes, Java 11 hyphen open JDK hyphen y. Just install this one. So the size is 687 MB. Going to installing and configuring. Just wait, guys. Just wait, guys. Guys, here it will take some time. You have to wait until when you get that prompt. Automatically system will release that prompt. You should wait for that. Okay, guys. You should not stop or something like that. See, guys. Successfully we got that prompt. Now we have installed. So we have installed Java, Maven, and sorry. So what we have installed? Yes, we have installed font config, Java, and Git. Now come here. Yes, you can apply that Git space hyphen version. See, guys. Next Java space hyphen version, single hyphen. See, guys, successfully we have installed Java 11. Now we need to install Maven. Yes, you can install by using vim install Maven also, but let me show you that. Yes, we will download and extract that file. Maven download. Yes, guys. Apache Maven. Now come here. Yes, this is the latest version. Yes, click on this one. Just copy this one, and yes, see, guys, duplicate. Already we have installed this package. Yes, downloaded, and see, guys, yes, tar space hyphen xvf Apache Tomcat. Just rename this one MV Apache Maven. Just we rename this one. Now what we have to do, we need to set that Maven path under Java home path. Yes, see, mvn space hyphen hyphen version, it won't work that, because we need to set that path. First of all, let me show you that how to set Java home path and executable path. Yes, which Java. See guys, slash vvsr bin. Yes, this is the, yes, one more path is there, slash vvsr local jvm slash vvsr lib jvm it, before is cd, hit the enter guys. See guys, this is the Java path. Yes, copy this one. Yes, cd, hit the enter. Yes, pwd. This is the Java path, home path. Inside this we are having bin and all. Yes, now take this path, pwd, copy this one. Yes, now come here. Yes, apply this one again, slash bin. This is the executable path. Now here we need to apply that. What is that? Yes, export Java underscore home equals to Java underscore home. This is the path. Next, export path equals to $path colon slash vvsr bin. This is the home. This is the home path and this is the executable path. And again, we need to set that to Maven path also. Yes, m2 underscore home equals to, where we kept that is opt Maven, and export path equals to $path colon slash opt Maven bin. This is the bin path. This is the home path. Yes, we need to set these paths. Now copy this one, where we kept that C guys. Okay, cd slash opt ll cd maven pw. This is the Maven path and this is the Java path. Yes, copy these 4 lines and come into the Java server where we place that. Yes, open that vam tilde slash dot bash rc. Yes, open this one guys, be careful with this one, you should not disturb this one. Yes, come here. Yes, see, if you don't have knowledge about this one, yes, already, okay, I have uploaded some videos on that vam vi and linux basic commands. You can go through the commands guys. Okay, escape shift colon wq. Now apply this command, source. Now you can see that the Java space hyphen version mvn space hyphen version. See guys, successfully Maven path working. See, now Maven working. Yes, we need to set like this. We need to set like this Java path and Maven path. Of course, but we didn't configure Git path. We'll see that one guys. That one also need to see that. Now guys, see, I'll show you that Maven structure. This is our local machine. Inside this mission, we are having Maven. Inside this server, if we are using okay, inside this server, So what we are having? Yes, we are having Maven. We have installed Maven. Inside this server, we have installed Maven. Whenever we apply the commands, whenever we apply that Maven phases and Maven goals, for example, yes, user. When the user going to executing that Maven goals and Maven phases, so what it will do that the command goes to Maven. Maven it will send to yes one more yes that's the powerful yes POM project object model. It's very important. It's very important. So inside this POM project object model is XML file. It's XML file. Inside this, so we are having here yes what we are having dependencies. So dependencies we are having, plugins we are having, and life cycle phases we are having, and goals we are having, and build profiles we are having. Okay, and some more important requirements. We are having some more important requirements. So whenever we apply the command, for example, if you apply the command, as a user going to applying the command, what is that? Yes, mvn compile. Whenever we apply this command, so what it will do that is whenever the user will apply the command, yes, the command goes to Maven. So yes, the Maven software find that pom.xml file. It enter into the pom.xml file. Yes, it will find that what are the required dependencies and plugins, lifecycle Maven phases and goals, build profiles, and some other. Whatever we have specified that inside this, yes, Maven command goes to this pom.xml. Pom.xml will respond. Yes, based on that pom.xml. Yes, for example, plugins are required. If the plugins are not installed in this local machine, if the plugins are not available based on this pom.xml, yes, what it will do that? Yes, this pom.xml will send to one more repository. This is our local repository. Yes, we can call this one local repository. Local repo. Maven local repo. There are three types of repositories. One is the local, one is the private remote, and one is the public. This is the Maven repository. Maven public repository. We will see that. Practically. We will see that. Maven public repository. Okay, guys. So whenever we execute this command based on that pom.xml, if the plugins are located inside this local repository, it won't download. If the plugins are not available, this based on pom.xml, what it will do that? Yes, command goes here and it will download these plugins in our local machine. Then the process will start. Okay, guys. Now we are seeing that one. practically we are seeing that one. Okay guys, so let me show you. First, already I have that some source code. See guys, so we are having source code in the GitHub repository. Now what we are doing that we are pulling the code directly. We are pulling the code directly to this Maven location. So wherever we are having code in the GitHub, from there directly we are pulling into Maven location. At present, we are not going to integrating. We will see in the next class. We will see that how we can integrate the Maven with SCM with Jenkins. Okay, guys. First of all, directly we are getting the code from GitHub to this Maven location. This is our Maven server. So now what we are doing that we are going to integrating the code from GitHub to this Maven build tool. Okay, guys. Yes, let me. Yes, github.com. Yes, click on the sign in. Yes. This is my login credentials. Just wait, guys. Yes, this is my repository. See, guys, this is my user. Inside this user, I have that source code. So this is the pom.xml. This is the pom.xml. Inside this pom.xml, already we have written that artifact ID, group ID, dependencies, whatever the required dependencies are there, and plugins also we have. See guys, so plugins, okay, and distribution management, okay, snapshot repository dependencies. See guys, we are having. So based on this pom.xml, it's very important. We will see in the next session. Okay, at present, okay, I'm seeing you practically. So now what we are doing that, yes, just let me, if we want to get this code, yes, host name, yes, host name ttl set icon host name, yes, build server, now host name, yes, ssh region. If we want to get that passwordless, we need to do this one. Let's take this one. Let's come into the GitHub. Yes. Build server. Yes. Git clone. Yes. Yes, signals. Yes, this is the pom.xml. So now what it will do that, yes, whenever we apply the command, now we have integrated. Guys, we got the code from GitHub to this Maven build tool. Now we are inside this Maven tool. Now just imagine it, I'm the user here. I'm the user. So what I'm doing that now I'm going to executing Maven phases and Maven goals. Now what we are doing that, yes, now as a user I am applying the command. Yes guys, keep in mind, whenever you want to execute with Maven goals and Maven phases, you should have that pom.xml. You should have that pom.xml and you should be inside the artifact repository. So this is the artifact repository. This is the repository name. We should be inside this repository name and we should have that pom.xml. Wherever the pom.xml is there, you also be there. 100%, that's very 100%, that's very important. Okay, if you are placing, or if you are in another location, I mean that, for example, see guys, now this is the SRC. Now I'm entering in that SRC. See guys, PW. Now you can apply that MVN, validate. See, 100% build fail. What it will ask that? What it will tell us? Yes, there is no form. See guys, okay, the goal you specified requires a project to execute, but there is no form in this directory. See guys, it's saying that. Where is the form? It's located inside this Docker web app directory. So it means we should inside this now. So now what we are doing that, guys? Now what I am doing? Yes, now I am applying that MVN validate. I'm applying that validate. What it will do that validate? Yes, the validate, it confirms that all the data necessary for build is available. The validate command, it confirms that all the data necessary for the build is available. Okay guys, now just apply that MVN. You don't apply that in Maven. Don't apply like this. You have to apply MVN space Maven goal. Yes, what is that? Validate. Just apply this one. Just wait. Now, so what we are doing it as a user, we have applied this command, and the command goes here. Now what it will do that? What it will do that? Yes, it touch to pom.xml. If already plugins are based on that pom.xml, yes, if the plugins are, everything is ready or not, it will test and it will validate that. It gives us build guys. Now it's success, validated. It's a validated. Now what we are doing that? Now we are going to compiling the code. We are going to compiling the code. See guys, here we have compiled. Here we have compiled manually. Yes, like this. See guys. Yes, rm space -f some dot class some dot one dot class. See guys, manually we have compiled. Now once again I'm going to compiling. I have deleted this one. See guys, some dot java c some dot class java. See, so whatever we are doing it, the same concept, concept we are doing, or we are going to executing, or we are taking help with the Maven. So Maven, it will take care. So whatever we have executed this command, whatever we have applied this command, Maven, it will take care. But the Maven should have that one src directory and one form.xml. So now the command goes to whatever we have applied that command. Now what we are doing that, we are going to apply that compile. The compile will goes to pom.xml. Based on that pom.xml, whatever the dependencies are there, plugins are there, lifecycle goals are there, yes, it will check that. If already plugins are, if the plugins are available for this pom.xml execution, yes, it won't download the plugins. If the plugins are not available, first of all, it will check the plugins are available or not. If the plugins are available, it won't download from the private, our private repository, or from Maven public repository. If the plugins are not available, what it will do that? Yes, pom.xml send the request to remote public repository. Whatever the necessary plugins are required, yes, it will download into our local Maven repository. Then the process will execute. So now let me show you that. Now what I'm doing that? Yes, MVN compile. Guys, before that, please concentrate on that. See guys, this is the src file. Now whatever we are going to apply that MVN compile, whatever we are going to apply this command. So this is goal. This goal will goes to pom.xml, and pom.xml, whatever we are having that, plugins, dependencies, artifacts, everything. Yes, it will find and it will touch to SRC. SRC. So whatever we are let me show you that inside that SRC CD SRC CD. Yes, we are having see guys. So here we are having Java files. Now the compile command, what it will do that it will come here, and it will take these files, it will try to compile. How we compiled manually, like that it will compile. Maven it will take care. That's the advantage with Maven, one advantage. And what it will do that it will compile and it will convert into executable format. And before that it will test the compile and it will test the package. Everything is okay. Yes. See guys, now MVN, yes, you can say you can ask that test. See guys, this is also one goal. What it will do that it tests that unit tests are run by it. This all unit tests run by this command. Just let me show you that and try to observe that carefully. Process started. Now it's looking for the plugins. See guys, please observe this one. See guys, it's going to downloading all required plugins from downloading. See guys, see process going. So what it's doing right now is command this test command by using this Maven. Yes, this Maven test command goes to pom.xml. Whatever the dependencies are required, whatever the plugins are required, is whatever we have specified inside this pom.xml. If the plugins are available in the local repository, it won't download it. Right now, as of now, we don't have that plugin. See guys, set present, see central downloaded from central repository. This is the public repository. Yes, whatever we have shown here, this is the public repository. Now the MVN test command, what it did is it started the process and it find that required plugins. The plugins are not available in the local repository. Then immediately the command goes to public repository and whatever the required plugins, yes, it downloaded and placed into pom.xml, in the local repository. Then the command goes to execute. So whatever we have inside this pom.xml. Now if you observe this one, see guys, build success. Now come here, see, observe this one, we got that one more target directory. That's very, very important. This is our output directory. So yes, like that, how we compile this program. See guys, we got one .class file after compiling. We got one .class file. Same like that. Maven have provided those files. CD classes. See guys, CD LL, CD LL, CD servlet. See guys, .class files. These all are the .class files. Of course, for this time we are having only 5 files. If you have multiple files, if you have 100 files, 2000 files, okay, the count is not a particular number. Okay guys, so whatever we are having here, how many we are having, so Maven it will take care of that. If the code is not good, yes, if is there any compilation error, immediately it will reject that. See guys, So what it did, yes, it tested that. Yes, I'm going back. See guys, it tested that. So what is our command? See guys, mvn test. So what it will do that unit tests are run by it. Now what we are doing that we are going to compiling. So yes, Maven having three life cycles. Maven having three life cycles. One is yes, one is build or default to clean, three site life cycle. It's having three life cycles. Okay guys, now we have applied the commands. Whatever we have applied, that mvn, yes, test, what is that, validate, test, compile, okay, package. So whatever we are having, it install, yes, whatever the plugins required, it will install that. Okay guys, by this Maven build life cycle, what it will that from the validation stages until the development stage. Okay, it has 21 Maven phases. It's having 21 Maven phases. Okay, like that, yes, default, clean, site. Okay, so what is this? Sorry guys, it's having three life cycles. One is that default life cycle, clean life cycle, and the site life cycle. So what it will do that default from the validation stage to until deployment stage, it will take care of that. In this default life cycle, we are having 21 Maven phases. Okay guys, now so what we are doing that, yes, clean life cycle. The clean life cycle, what it will do the guys is the repository or the project. Okay, project is properly cleaned up. Cleaned up. So it's what is the project? What is the project here? Yes, LL. Whatever we are having, this is the project output. This is the, yes, we are calling as a project or project output. So now what we will do that is mvn clean. Now the clean command, clean is a life cycle. Clean is a life cycle. Now it will concentrate on this particular target directory only. Particular target directory only. Just apply this one. Just wait. See guys, already I told that. So whatever the required plugins for every plugin or every Maven phase, Maven goal, Maven phase or Maven goal, it will download, then it will process them. See guys, now the target directory left from this artifact directory. Okay guys, now what we are doing that once again we are going to compiling, or else, okay, just apply that mvn compile. Again what it will do that, yes, whatever the dependencies are there, whatever the required plugins are there for doing this process, for compilation process, it will first of all, it will download the plugins. First of all, it looks in the local repository. Okay, if the plugins are not available in the local repository, what it will do that guys, yes, immediately it goes to public repository. Yes, it will download that. It will download and then it will execute the whatever we have given goal. Now apply the command. Again, it will create one more. Once again, it will create that directory with the name of target. Just okay, guys. Already it's downloaded for this process. It's already downloaded. So that reason it didn't download once again. That okay, guys. Now you can see that target. Yes. So once again, target. See, guys. See. Okay. Sources. Okay, Maven status. I mean, automatically it will take care about that. Okay, this is the kind of process. Okay, guys. Now just come back. Okay, guys. Again, if you apply that MVN clean, what it will do that is it will remove that existed Tomcat or sorry that target directory. This target directory will remove by this MVN clean command. It will remove that. See, guys, it's removed that. Now you can see this. It's removed. Okay. Yes, guys. Next we are having. Yes, we need to be discussed that pom.xml and all. Yes. Okay. We'll see in the next session, guys. Thank you.